TADA binds disparate data from all your data sources to form a single source of truth for your entire supply chain ecosystem. Our supply chain control tower has several portals with personalized tools and secured access for every supply chain decision maker. Within these portals, suppliers, planners, enterprise command centers, and executives each have access to the data needed to execute meaningful, predictive, and prescriptive business decisions that deliver real results. Unlike other supply chain systems, TADA works with your existing systems. It provides you with end-to-end visibility across the entire ecosystem and offers built-in collaboration and orchestration. Through our patented digital twin technology, known as the digital duplicate, TADA offers the fastest deployment in the industry. Let's look at a planner named Brandon. In some organizations, Brandon's role may be known as a buyer, analyst, or controller. Here is his 15-day summary, where he sees on January 3rd that there were 7 parts in transit and 2 parts at risk of shutting his production down. He can click on that date and view the parts at risk by plant number and supplier, as well as see details on the 7 parts in transit. Brandon also has access to a shortage report, which is color-coded and prioritized to show which parts are in the building, green, in transit, blue, and missing, red. Finally, Brandon will be able to utilize action widgets to issue corrective actions, combining advanced analytics and collaboration seamlessly. With one click within the planner's workbench, he can send a notification to a supplier to inform them of what he needs to be done for them to meet his demand via the platform, email, or even a text. Likewise, suppliers such as Acme will be able to notify Brandon of supply changes and alternate shipping plans. Acme's top concerns are the security of their supplier data and reducing their additional workload. TADA makes it secure and easy for them to update their supplier information and confirm supply orders. With just a few clicks, they will be able to notify Brandon of incoming transits and changes to existing transit plans. Using TADA's Forms Acknowledgement feature, Acme acknowledges received demand requests and provides supplier capacity and inventory information on a daily, weekly, or quarterly basis, depending on the requirements set by Brandon. Brandon can then approve or disapprove these plans all within the platform, eliminating the need for multiple phone calls and back-to-back emails. If Brandon cannot address the issue, his action gets escalated to the Enterprise Command Center for enterprise planners such as Emily. Emily can view the compliance summary of all suppliers, including the escalations made by planners like Brandon. Finally, Emily knows their performance summary and how much the company spends on expedites by month and year. She will be able to drill down by supplier to see how much they spend on expedites per supplier, giving her the ability to enter supplier negotiations with accurate performance metrics. TADA also provides a bird's-eye view for supply chain executives such as Howard. Howard will be able to see a 15-day summary of the company's coverage and how many total parts are not covered. He can see the company's entire demand coverage per week by not covered, acknowledged by suppliers, finished goods, oversee transits, and ASN. With executive action widgets, Howard can understand the company's top 10 uncovered suppliers and plans within the same window. At TADA, we do the data heavy lifting, so you can focus on creating immediate value for your company. Unlike various BI and analytics tools, we don't stop at providing a bunch of pretty charts, but provide secure, actionable intelligence by persona to supercharge your supply chain.